खुलुमबाय ख्या ताखुक ते बुकुक सं ते लामसगो आनि o channel जों तिनि नायलायनाय Society for Entrepreneurship Development ni hoite SOFED angkha boni short form naidi obangkha boni page norok oro thangi naina muchoka ke type khaidi sofed.in/recruitment.stm aboni pore o page opening nai norok oro pulano nugui manai recruitment notification number angkha 02/2021-22 जों oro click khainai je pura notification nainani bagai जों oro nugui mano je applications are invited from the eligible candidates permanently residing in Tripura for the post mentioned below for placing them to various government higher department higher agencies time to time as and when are received the requirement o jaga saka je jara eligible candidate permanent Tripura na nangnai tai oboni bagai bonorno posting resign je kuno government sector higher departmental higher je kuno agency o tai o job ni posting bomong angka LDC মানে lower division clerk higher office assistant higher data entry operator tai oboni number of post o jaga sajak je general empanelment for outsources tai o job ni bagai qualification nangnai high secondary mane 12 pass high keba obani equivalent nangnai tai logi norok saimana nangnai typing ni in English tai 30 words per minute tai COPA high DTPO khaijak nangnai IT ni hoite high keba DCA BCA je kuno institute ni hoite khaijak nangnai tai o job ni bagai maximum nongni age engna nangnai 41 years tai o jaga gross contractual payment o jaga sijak je as per departmental high agency rate boni kaisa rate tongo aboni onujai nongno borok salary renai tai o jaga terms and condition bo tongo phaidi cheng nalenai tam sujak the selected candidates would be appointed on purely contract basis for a term of 11 months and may be extended on performance and requirement o jaga saka je nongni o job angkha purely contract basis sangnai 11 months ni bagai ar 11 months ni pore jodi nongni performance jodi kaham kangke borok obono extend khainai abon pore sikan je the selected candidates should come under an agreement as per the norms with the SOFED boni kaisa SOFED o kaisa agreement tongo boni as per the norms aboni onujai norok bai agreement khaijangnai the candidate shall be selected through written examination or interview whichever is convenient on purely merit basis o jaga saka je je o job ni bagai nongno written examination najangnai haikeba interview najangnai purely merit basis sangnai and the date of such test will be informed on due courses test ni bagai borok nongno sahonai norok check khaitongdi nongni email haikeba nongni mobile logo message rok phata phainai tongdi aboni pore saka je selection panel would be made as per the reservation policy of state government tai reservation ni kaisa policy tongmani aborok state government ni hoite follow khainai abonotei norok jodi o job ni bagai interest tongkhanke norok application khaimano boni application ni je address angkha the office of the member secretary SOFED ITI Road Indranagar Agartala pin number angkha 799006 tai o job ni bagai last date angkha 20 July 2021 4 pm o mas ni 20 July 2021 jora rajaka before 4 pm norok chatte nageno thangai submit khajinoni application tai o jaga sika je the noni common application form may be downloaded from the website acha o jaga no application form borjak tongo norok obono download khaine mano boni website tonge haikeba ang or description box o je notification ang pdf read nai norok direct no download khai norok print out nai mano print out namani pore nok tam khainai o jaga noni passport photo paste khai di aboni pore o jaga kuno ta sidi o blank toni redi obo office ni hoite fill up khai nong no honai aboni pore nongni name of the candidate nong no capital letter ba nongni mung sidi aboni pore ni babani bung sidi ar jara bari rok kaija khangka ba bini husband ni mung phano simano te aboni pore permanent address ready apre present address tai noni category choose kai di st hingka ba st or tick mark ready tai contact number beleni important tai email id ba beleni important je email id noni active tongmani abono ready jate norok bongni kuno message phage ke norok naimane jan aboni pore date of birth ready apre o jaga siga je age as on 1st July 2021 norok ni date of birth je engmani ashak jora je first besok nongni years tai month tai besok days engkha bo pura mention khainang nai norok jodi obnotei kuno calculation khainang jodi kuno problem khangke anong no sanai kaisa norok google thangai type khaidi age calculator hanai anong no phone kono age calculator nadi norok oro thangai nongni date of birth pura player di jemon na jang player siana romdi 2000 rekha romdi oro nini date of birth me month romdi date engkha 9th bujikha ga o jaga tam sake ba 1st July 2001 jara busuk ngai norok oro July month select khaidi abon pre 1st January na January yeah no July select khaina nai abon pre date oro ঠিক আছে আবার ক্যালকুলেটর ক্লিক খাই নরক আপনি পরে ন 90 মানে নাহাডি সিজা করো জায়গা 2020 লে আং জায়গা 2021 দেখাবলা গে আর তো 1 ইয়ার ডিফারেন্স है दिबा ना সিজা একদম 1 years 1 months 22 days নিনো নিয়া পুরা ক্যালকুলেশন আর অজা খাইমা নাই বেলাইনো কাহামো এজ ক্যালকুলেটর abani pore norok ni je qualification high secondary cd abani pore je noni BA BSc je tongna mention khai di abani pore noni university year of passing ready tai noni CGP ba noni percentage ready abani pore noni experience norok rimanai noni designation tamo tongmani busuk no hote busuk jora experience tai busuk jora noni direction tongmani tai bo company ba bo department tongmani abo mention khai di abani pore norok o jaga o sheet ba page number 2 bod norok matlangnai logi o jaga noni pura signature ready o jaga place tai date ready tai noni self attested documents atlang nangnai pulano tongo PRTC apre Aadhaar card caste certificate age proof like admit card madhyamik nitlang mano haike birth certificate langdi aboni pore mark sheet of high secondary graduation and post graduation jodi noroni high secondary ni to mark sheet lang nangnai jodi noroni graduation bo tong ke abo norok talangai thangdi tai mark sheet haike certificate DTPO ba COPA DCA BCA obni certificate bo talangai thangdi aboni pore experience certificate tong ke abo nok talang thangmanai aboni pore again obo noni takaisa photo passport size photo paste makhani o jaga noni block letter bung soidi tai o jaga ni husband haikani father ni mung soidi o jaga blank toni di o jaga kunta sidi oro ni full signature nangnai o jaga norok blank toni di norok jafro application submit khaina afro borok norok no o jaga kat khai ri honai bongni software hoite seal togoi noni o copy norok manai norok je free interview fro omo fro nangnai maybe takokte bukok song asungno tai to kuno aro rejakri o job ni bagai takokte bukok song belai nangmani o job যদি নরক অ্যাপ্লিকেশন খাইনা মুচুকা হাঙ্কেবা খাইদি হাইকেবা নরক খাইনা মুচুকা ননি ফ্রেন্ডস রংনো শেয়ার খাইদি অ জব যাতে বরক ফনো মানথং থুরুনিনতি হাইদিবা যদি मा खांगै तो बेलेनो kaham kok tabuk to haino job rok kabangma borok maya ngai tongo situation rogo abono buino help khaima khai to beno buino chuba khai to belai kaham kok ediba haidiba takukte bukuk song belekeno hambai kulmai